circle. Here's the photo I'll be working with in this tutorial. Adobe Photoshop tutorial image, the original image. And here's how it will look after adding our soft glow. Adobe Photoshop tutorial image, the final result. This tutorial is from our photo effects series. Let's get started. Download all of our Photoshop tutorials as PDFs. Step 1. Duplicate the background layer. With our image newly opened in Photoshop, we can see if we look in our Layers palette that we currently have one layer, which is the background layer. The background layer is the layer that contains our original image, Adobe Photoshop tutorial image. Photoshop's Layers palette showing the original image on the background layer. We need to duplicate this layer, and the easiest way to do that is by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+J/Command+J. If we look again in our Layers palette, we can see that we now have two layers, the background layer on the bottom and a copy of the background layer, which